Good day guys, welcome to my channel. In this video today I'm going to show you how to use my VBA macro for slab detailing. In our previous video I demonstrated how we can use it for an isolated footing detailing. As I said previously, this is an ongoing project. I keep on adding new features, and then I also welcome suggestions. If you guys have a suggestion, email it to me. I will take that into consideration. This is a two-way slabs. This is a two-way fixed slabs, fixed end slabs. I already prepared the layout. Here is the plain view bottom rebars, the top view, a plain view top rebars. Here is the section AA, as you can see here. Here is our toolbars. This toolbar is for this program. So it will go along with the program, and then there will also be a keyboard entry, but I'm still working on. I haven't for this session. It's not yet being used. Let's get started. This is you must know that this is only for illustration purposes. So the anchorage lane or lapping lane I'm not being considered in this drawing, so just bear with me. It's just for illustration purposes. Let's get started. To insert a bar, you call this button the form. This is a form that where you need to select the type of bars. Here's the shape code. I'm going to use this shape code. The bar size I will use by size number 12. The concrete cover 25, and then the spacing I'm going to use 150 spacing. This is a type of reinforcement. This is Y and R, and Y denote the high real reinforcement, and R denote the cold rolled reinforcement. It will be my bad pronunciations. The bar position, this will be bottom one. Bottom one reinforcement. So let's just the blue line is a concrete cover. Calculate of the number of bars. So I'm just select the area, the span of the area where the reinforcement is being laid. So this is our reinforcement, and you can edit the bar dimension. So that is hook length. I'll just put the 120 for now, and you can also you can put it 1 meter. And for this edge, let's add distribution bar. I'm going to take Y10, spacing 20, position no, we are on the this is the bottom reinforcement, so I'm actually going to extend this length to the past the middle. This is TT. Okay, so I will leave it this way, and the second bar will run from the right to the left. It will also be Y7, Y37, shape code, bar size 12. I will take the same spacing 150, position bottom one. So is bottom reinforcement. Okay, so I will leave it this way. This is bar number 1, and this is our bar number 2. This on the horizontal direction. Let's add the bar on the vertical direction on both sides of the let's take shape code 37, Y12. I will also take a 150 spacing, also bottom one. There we go. Here's our reinforcement. Bar number 3, there is 29 of those, Y12 bottom 1, and also the second bar 37, 12, 150, position bottom 1. Oh no, this is position, it should be position number 2. I will have to amend the other bars. This is position number 2. Position number 2, run from this to this. So left, here is our bar. Since this bar, the labeling is wrong, it should be bottom 2 as this one, because this is already bottom 1. This should be bottom 2. This is another feature of the program. One, if you delete these bars, as you can see, this is bar number 3, this bar number 1. All this numbering will be regenerated. The numbering will be regenerated. Just watch it. And you can see this now is number 2, this is number 1, and now this is bar number 3. And then let's add the bar that we just deleted, amend it, Y12 150, and position is bottom 2. And let's add our bar again. So this is our new bar. Bar number 4 now. Here is bar number 2. So we kind of done with the bottom rebars. Let's do the top rebars. As I say, remember this is a fixed end slabs. I will just the top reinforcement is more under stress, so there's more. I would take Y16 and spacing 1225, and then this will be top one. This will be top one, and take from here to there, to that position. Here's our bar. This is bar number 5, Y16, spacing 125. Let's add the distribution bar, which will be Y10, spacing 200, position top 2. The bar will run from this corner to this corner, and it would run to this posterior end of that bar. So this is bar number 6. It's 8 of them, Y10, 200 center to center. So we finish with that side of the slab. Let's do on the other side. This will be, I would take also Y16. Take Y16. This will be now, I'll also take 125 spacing. This will be top 1. Top 1. And there we go. Calculate this will run from this corner to this corner. You go 35 or 16 by number 7. Let's move the label. There's our label. And let's also add the distribution bars. Y20, 200, and then this will be top 2. Yeah, this will be top 2, and the bar will run from here is our bar. This bar number 8, and let's do this other side. As I said, this is only for illustration purposes. Just bear with me if it doesn't look the way you expected or the way it should be. It's just for illustration purposes, so there's no precision here. But it's 125, top 1, and then is our bar. Is our bar, and let's also add the distribution bars. 10, 200, and position will be top 2 this time, and our bar will run from here to here, and the number of bars is bar number 10. So we finish with that side. Let's do on this side, the top, and then Y16. Use Y16 again, and then 125 top 1. Top 1. This will get from here. So this is our bar. Y16, 125, top position 1, and let's add a distribution bar. Y10, again 200, position top 2, and our bar will run from and this will be from here to here. So this we done with the top reinforcement. Let's just increase this side a bit. So this is a bit our okay, I'll leave it this way. Now let's do the section part of our reinforcement of our slabs. I'm going to use this command, that is copy rebars, and for this let's start on the bottom. Since we're cutting this way, so we'll be seeing these bars, so I can choose this one going from the left. Here's our rebar. Copy rebar mean basically copy rebar, we basically copying the information of these bar marks, which mean the quantities, the length, the bar marks, the barcode. So they will basically have the same information, and then let's do the same for this bar. Yes, our rebar. Here's the two. We can bring it down a bit. Okay. So this is our rebar, and then let's add the section bottom, the section, because we're cutting these rebars. So let's just cut that bar. From this corner to this corner. Here we go. Here is the bar mark number 4. If you look, this will be we're cutting this bar. That's bar mark number 4. Let's just copy it down, move it down. So this is bar mark 4, and we can also label this bar. As I can see, this bar mark number 1, bottom 1. If you look there, this is this bar mark number 1, bottom 1, and this also just label this reinforcement. This is bar mark number 2, bar mark number 2, bottom 1 as well. Okay, let's do the top part of our section. The same command, copy, but we will copy the top bar, this one, on the starting from here, the left corner to somewhere here, bottom, down. This is our bar. Let's add the section. Let's also copy, we're cutting this bar. To there we go. This bar mark number 6. Let's move this up. This bar mark number 6. Let's do the left, the right side. Let's copy again. This time we're copying this bar. To somewhere down. Yes, our bar. Let's copy, do the section. In this side, we're cutting this bar, and it's bar mark number 10, bar mark number 10. And we can also label this bar. There we go. This is the bar. We can also label this bar. The top 1, this top 2. Top 1, this bar will be top 2. That is correct. So that's it. Is our layout. And now, last more thing, we can now generate the bending schedule. Here's the table. You click the button table. This is automatic bending schedule generation. And here we go. Quick. Here we are. Here's our bars. Bar number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. And here's bar width, the weight of the bar calculation. This is the weight of Y10 bar size. This is the weight of Y12 bar size, and this is the weight of Y16. So, and the total weight of the reinforcement is 536. So yeah, we're done here on this section. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.